Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you things that I have done that has literally saved my natural hair routine and has made my life a whole lot easier, as well as made me see results a lot faster. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, let's hop right into it. So I really wanted to share with you guys this video because a lot of people think that natural hair is difficult and hard, and when I first, well, I like to say when I first, I've always been natural, but I like to say when I first started to like really learn how to love my hair and learn how to do my hair, I thought it was very difficult as well. But as time went on, I learned how to master the process, and I can literally straighten my hair in like 20 minutes. I can literally wash and condition my hair and have a wash and go in like 30 minutes. I can do my hair so quickly now. It's just such an easy process. So I wanted to share with you guys things that has literally made my life a whole lot easier and just made the process go a lot faster, because you don't have to spend hours upon hours upon hours doing your hair. So the first thing that I want to share with you guys is washing your hair in twisted sections. This has saved me so much time since I started incorporating this into my routine, especially if I'm doing like a braid out or a twist out or something like that. If I know I'm about to style my hair after I wash it, I like to wash my hair in twisted sections. I will put my hair in 4 sections and I will go ahead and twist it, and then I will go ahead and hop into the shower and cleanse my scalp while it is still twisted, and that saves me so much time. I don't have so much hair in my way. I can literally see my scalp. So it just makes my life a lot easier. I think that it cleanses my hair a lot better, and it's not as overwhelming as well, because when you have like a lot of hair or your hair is very thick, it can be very overwhelming. You're just like, oh my gosh, all this hair. But if you section your hair and then go into the shower and wash your hair and cleanse your hair, the process will go a lot faster. So this is something that I think everyone should know, and I think a lot of people do not know the difference between hard water and soft water. If you live in a climate that has hard water, like if you live in a place that has hard water and you're constantly washing your hair in that hard water, you may wonder why your hair is always dry, or you may wonder why your hair is not giving you the results that you want. If you're doing like a twist out or some type of style, you're not going to get the results that you want because of that hard water that you just put on your hair. And I don't know the science behind this. I'm going to look it up and probably put some information in this video about hard water, but it's not good on your hair, and it's definitely not good on your skin either. When I was traveling a lot, I would go to different places and I would like take a shower or something like that, and then I'll notice like 50 pimples on my face, and I would notice my hair being very hard. It was definitely because of that hard water. And what you can do is, if you live in a climate that has hard water, you can go ahead and buy a water filter. They're pretty affordable and they're pretty easy to install. You can buy them off of Amazon, or you can go into your local hardwood store and pick up one, but that's a must. Definitely look into buying a water filter if you have that problem. Another thing that I had to stop doing is being a product junkie, and it's very difficult for me, obviously, because you know, I make YouTube videos and I get so many brands sending me different hair products to try out and stuff like that, and I always want to like share new things with you guys as well. But what I started doing is I don't mix brands. Like, I don't really like to use like a different brand for a shampoo and a different brand for a conditioner and like a different brand for the leave-in or whatever. I like to use all of the same brand when I'm doing that type of process, because I feel as if the formula works well together. And when I was younger, I used to read the back of products and stuff, and I used to be like, oh, they just want me to buy the whole line. Like, of course the product is gonna say use with their other products because they want me to go broke and buy the whole line. But honestly, the formula, the way most of these products are, the formula does work a lot better when it works together. So that's what I found to be true just over the years of using different products. So the whole line will work well together, and you will see like results in the long term if you stick to one brand. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. I will like try out one brand for like a month or so, and then I will just move on to the next instead of like just trying everything all at once. Another thing that I have done that has really helped me is to stick to one hairstyle throughout the week. I don't like to switch it up every single day. I don't think that's necessary. Low manipulation is the key to growth, at least for me personally. So I don't want to continue to manipulate my hair every single day of the week. I will pick a hairstyle and I will stick to it. For instance, if I'm doing like a braid out, I usually like put my hair in 2 braids, and then I will keep it in 2 braids Monday, Tuesday. I'll take it down Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, maybe put it in a bun on Saturday, and then I'll wash my hair on Sunday. So if you're a person who is having severe hair problems like excessive shedding or balding or things of that sort, you may want to go to a professional or even a doctor, because these things can be an indication of other severe health problems. So you definitely want to be proactive about that so the problem can be minimized quickly. So the most important thing that I changed and has helped me so far is to rinse my hair with cool or cold water. Now this is very, very important because you just went through that whole entire process of deep conditioning your hair and conditioning your hair and making sure everything is great and soft and conditioned, and you do all of that just to use hot water to rinse it out. You just defeated the whole entire purpose. Defeated the whole entire purpose because hot water will melt the conditioning elements out of your hair and rinse it out. So basically you just did all of that for nothing. You want to use cool water or cold water because what this does is it causes the conditioning elements to adhere to your hair, giving it a longer lasting effect and keeping your hair hydrated and moisturized and conditioned longer. So if you incorporate some of these things into your routine, you will definitely save a lot of time and see results a lot faster. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give me a huge thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so the notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
New merch is now available. The links will be down below in the description box.